Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your first forecast.
Well, still tracking some downpours on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, though still feel as though the worst of the rain, thunderstorm risk, and stronger wind gusts is later tonight, especially after midnight into the pre-dawn hours. But certainly enough rain here that's been disrupting the evening commute as far as slowing things down, reduced visibility. Had a heavier downpour in the Providence metro area a little while ago that has since moved away, but now some more rain off to our south. You see, in and around the Providence metro area, for now, it's light showers, drizzle, low clouds, some locally dense fog. You see another area of heavy rain along the South Shore right now, South Kingstown and along Route 1. I'm tracking this east-northeast, getting ready to head towards Portsmouth, Middletown, Newport, the lower part of Narragansett Bay, and eventually towards Little Compton in the next 30 minutes. Now, speaking of the South Shore, tomorrow morning and around the time of high tide, around 9-10 a.m., with strong winds coming in from the south off the ocean, there's the potential for coastal flooding. However, it would be minor coastal flooding, some minor splash over between roughly 9 and 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is in response to some strong southerly winds. And look, there's more precipitation off to our south and west we've yet to get through. You can see in downtown Providence with the low clouds, fog, and for now, just light rain showers. The temperature's been going up. We had a warm front, the leading edge of mild air starting to work through. So these temperatures will continue to go up rather than down. This is not a snow and ice situation for later. So while it's 45 in Smithfield, it's 52 out on Block Island, that milder air advancing to the north. Now the threat tracker now through early Thursday morning in the medium yellow level with the anticipation of some downpours, some isolated street flooding and strong wind gusts. We have a high wind advisory for late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Potential is there for gusts up to 50, even 60 miles per hour, all part of a larger storm system now across the Ohio River Valley. So here's the warm front. It's the leading edge of milder air that's working in. In fact, by midnight, our temperature may actually go up to 60. So this is a spring-like storm that I'm tracking off to our west. Out ahead of it, the strong southerly winds, very warm air, severe weather across the mid-Atlantic states. In fact, look at the milder air ahead of this storm system in the 60s, and that wedge of warmth headed our way for overnight tonight through early tomorrow morning. Get in real close. Take a look at Futurecast, starting off this evening with essentially fog, drizzle, and showers, and then every now and then some heavier downpours. But watch the timestamp up here. Once we get beyond midnight, look at the temperatures in the 60s and the flecks of yellow and orange indicating downpours and thunderstorms, and some of these thunderstorms with strong, damaging, isolated strong wind gusts. And this is what concerns me. This is 5 o'clock in the morning. You see this narrow red line? It doesn't look like much, but that's a squall line. We usually see this during the spring and summer. So when this comes through, very heavy rain and the potential for some damaging winds. So between, say, 4 and 7 o'clock in the morning, the wind, the rain, and the thunder really cranking. But notice by 9 o'clock in the morning, things are drying out and the temperatures will be cooling off. The second half of the day, look, partly sunny skies, temperatures cooling back into the 40s with the drier air and certainly better conditions towards the evening hours. So the worst of it is, again, later tonight into early tomorrow morning. 7-day Futurecast shows better weather tomorrow night. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are all looking good, though cooler under partly sunny skies. So be careful driving this evening and overnight in some of these downpours and strong wind. You can download the Channel 12 weather app on your smartphones and on your tablets as well. It may get noisy around here, especially after midnight.
All right, Tony, thanks. And